The blind hem foot is perfect for creating an invisible hem. Start by folding your fabric toward the wrong side to your desired hem width. Fold your fabric with right sides together, exposing a scant ½ inch of the raw edge. Remove the left needle for 3-thread serging, and adjust your stitch length to as long as it can go. Be sure to position your fabric wrong side up beneath the foot. Check your needle placement by slowly lowering the needle into the fabric. The right needle should barely graze the hem, catching 1 or 2 fibers. Adjust your guide so that everything is lined up properly. The foot edge guide should be flush with the fabric fold. With the knife blade up, serge the hem, making sure to only cut off the fabric raw edge, catching the fold within the stitching. Press open the seam. You'll want to use matching thread for a nice clean finish.